Hey Carb Dodgers, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to have a look at making some sour gummy bears. You may have watched my original gummy bear video and a few people asked about sours. It's super simple, so let's have a look. We just need to grab our no sugar jelly mix or jello mix, depending on where you come from. Again, some gelatin to stiffen it up a bit. And the secret ingredient, citric acid. So that's what gives it sour. Let's grab a coffee and get into it. Take our jello mix, like so. Okay, this time I'm using lime. I think the citrus flavour with the citric acid goes really well. Okay, to the jello mix add 2, let's go half for luck, 2.5 tablespoons of gelatin mix. And let's go a tablespoon of the citric acid, or citric acid. Grab our boiling water and add in about 120, maybe, just to get that. Okay, and what we're trying to do is just smush out those gelatin lumps. There's not much you can do to avoid that, apart from maybe sieving it, and you end up with less gelatin, so there'll be softer gummies. Okay, that's most of those. So that's most of those lumps dealt with. How are we tasting? Oh yeah, it's a nice little kick. So same deal, we just get them into our bear trays, like so. So these are a great no sugar treat for kids. They don't even know that they're good for them. And also just handy to have a little bowl full lying around. So when you do get the little sugar rush urge, you can grab a couple of these. And Robert's your mother's brother, as they say. Okay, let's go a bit bigger. So again, it's the same deal. If you've watched my other gummy bear video, you just pop these on a bench to set, or you can pop them in the fridge to set a bit quicker. and generally a couple of hours, and they're as good as they're going to get. I'm not sure how long they keep because they don't last that long around here. And as always, when you're working with gelatin, just make sure you clean up real quick, otherwise it will all set inside the eyedropper and in your jugs. Okay, look how gorgeous they are. So there we go, sugar-free, keto, carnivore safe gummy sours. Super simple. You know, even I can do it. Give them a go. Let me know how you go. My name's been Alan. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.